What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Alibaba with the ticker symbol BABA. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So it looks like Chinese stocks are on the move. Looks like BABA last week, Friday, closed at the 85 level, and since then it broke out and it reached all the way up to almost the 95. It topped out at the 94.29. So that looks pretty good. We'll see if this can continue higher, but as of right now, this looks pretty good. So let's go over our key levels, our potential support and resistances. So this is a potential resistance because when price comes back to it, it might break it, it might not. And also this is a support that potentially can be broken in the future, but right now it's acting as support. So $80 level support, 120 resistance. So price is just going back and forth between these two price levels. Looks like price tried to make a measure move down. So this was one large drop from the market. You can expect another large drop, and this was the second attempt to reach it. So you can see there was one attempt right here. Prices bounced off this $80 level, failed to reach the measurement target. Sellers tried one more time, failed, and now buyers are stepping in the market, trapping out the shorts because they're looking at the aggressive sellers not able to reach the measurement target, and they're capitalizing on their inability to reach it. So that's why we're getting this nice rally out of this $80 level. This was the prior high, so prices just made a new high just a few days ago. So this is looking pretty good. I mean, this high isn't that far past this high right here, but it is something nonetheless. And also, if you connect the swings to represent this impulse, it looks like prices are in this channel working higher. So I see some good signs. This is looking pretty good. Nothing is guaranteed, but as right now, this is showing a shift in momentum for BABA. It looks like this $80 level wants to be a confirmed support, and if this is a support and we're seeing a rally off of it, that means we could see much higher prices, probably even the 120 level. And I'll go over my reasoning why on the weekly chart. So right now it's looking pretty good. We're getting a little overextended. We could be seeing a pullback, but even after a pullback, there's a good chance we see continuation unless something drastically changes. But as right now, this is looking pretty good. Now here's the weekly chart. You can clearly see that BABA was inside this range since March of 2022. So this is the ranging pattern that prices are respecting. And since BABA had this large drop over here, aggressive sellers are trying to reach the measure move target at the low 50s. It tried multiple times. It tried once right here. It tried twice and failed. And why is it failing? Because this $80 level is acting as support, and we're seeing aggressive buying off of this level. So this is 3 consecutive weeks in a row that prices have risen. So this is looking pretty good. And if we see a continuation of this, it can probably reach the upper side of this range because prices go from the highs to the lows and the lows to the highs, and the highs are right over here at the 120 level. And since the sellers failed to reach their measure move target, the bulls can make a measure move of their impulse, and this would be the leg right here, starting from this $80 level, targeting the 140 level. So we'll see if this can be obtained. As right now, this is looking pretty good. Things can change, but I like what I'm seeing on the chart. Looks like there's a shift in momentum. This looks like an inverse head and shoulders. You can see there was a double bottom in past here, ahead, another double bottom here. So this looks similar to getting a impulse up. So we'll see if it occurs. But as right now, this is looking pretty good. And we'll see if things change. As right now, that's all I have for BABA this week, Friday, and I'll give you guys an update next week, Friday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.